How to indent on Google Docs. If you'd like to add an indent on Google Docs, whether it is a hanging indent or a first line indent with a custom set of values, you could simply open up your Google Docs spreadsheet right here. And from here, let's say I would like to, first of all, add an indent to this. So I will select all the text that I want to indent. And once I've selected it, I will go to the format option from the top left, go to the option called align and indent. From there, I can select indentation options. Once I've done that, I can choose a special indent and I can set this to first line indent or hanging indent. So depending on what is it that you prefer, you can also set the values and just click on the apply button. And there you can see everything will be properly aligned with based on what you want. This way you'll be able to indent on Google Docs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.